everyone. The topic we cover today, autosclerosis. Autosclerosis, it is the medical and surgical disease condition in the middle ear. So let's see what is autosclerosis. The autosclerosis, it is an inherited ear diseases, that is hearing loss due to the ear mobility to amplify sounds. So here you can see there is three small bones are there in our middle or inner ears, that is eardrums. So that is the malleus, ingus and stapes. So when there is a problem occurring in the ear, so especially in this condition, these three bones unable to vibrate freely. So that will leads to the deafness. So here we'll see what is the definition of the autosclerosis. The autosclerosis, the disease condition, it is a result from a formation of an abnormal spongy bone like bone growth along the stapes in the middle ear. So this condition is called autosclerosis. That means simply you can see that is the abnormal bone growth in the stapes. So that condition is the autosclerosis. So it is affecting the both ears. Here we can see what are the main causes of this autosclerosis, like genetic factors and any viral infections, measles, any disorder like endocrine disorders, and any person already have the upper respiratory tract infections, that will leads to the ear disease and leads to deafness. So that condition is called the autosclerosis. So mainly there are two types. First one is the stapedial autosclerosis and second one is the cochlear autosclerosis. The stapedial autosclerosis, it is the common disease condition and lesions start in the fissula and fenestrum. And second one is the cochlear autosclerosis. In this cochlear autosclerosis, you can see that there is a hearing loss and due to the liberation to toxic material, and it is caused to the sensorineural hearing loss. So these are the types of autosclerosis. So next we will discuss what are the symptoms of this condition. The symptoms like ear pain, headache, and there is a tinnitus. The tinnitus is the medical term, that is the ringing sound in the ear, and also vertigo, speech disturbances, and the patient have the deafness, that is develop the hearing loss. These all are the other symptoms of this condition. So next we'll discuss the diagnostic evaluation or investigation of the autosclerosis. Here you have to firstly do the history collection and the physical examination. Under the history collection, we should collect the patient past and present medical history and present medications, and about the family history. Should all the regarding this condition, we should collect the history. And physical examination, you know that is the head to foot examination. We should assess the patient hearing abilities, and also we have to assess if any kind of the discharge from the ears or any infections leads in. So this all we have to assess in this physical examination. So next we'll go for the management. So here you can see for the autosclerosis condition there is no medical treatment. So we'll go for the surgical management. Mainly there are two surgeries we'll do for in this condition, that is the staphydectomy and the staphydoctomy. So what is staphydectomy? Staphydectomy, it is the removal of stapes and will insert option of the prosthesis. The prosthesis like we can platinum Teflon, otherwise Teflon Pitstone we can insertion. And second surgery, that is the staphydoctomy. It is a modern surgery. So here we'll be do that there is a drill with the help of the micro drill. We'll drill the stapes foot plate and we will be insert the prosthesis. So if the patient is not interested in the surgery, we can go with the amplification. Amplification means we can fix the external hearing aids. So it will help the patient to hear the sounds. So these are the management we can do. So next we'll see what are the complications of this condition. So if you are not treating properly, what are the complications will be occur? The complications such as facial palsy and giddiness, deafness, see all the complication. And also we discuss the symptoms. If the patient is heavy paining, headache and earache is there, means we'll go for the some analgesic drugs also. It will relieve the patient pain. So next we will see the last management, that is the nursing management. So here we should assess the patient condition and provide the comfortable position. If the patient undergoing the surgery, we should provide the pre and post-operative care and monitor the vital signs. If any abnormality if you are noticing, should inform to the physician and monitor the intake and output. And also you have to administer the medication as per the physician order, provide psychological support to the patient, and if anything related to the question, you should give the health education to the patient. So today class we discuss about the autosclerosis. The autosclerosis, it is the disease condition of the middle ear. There is a hearing loss due to the mobility to amplify sounds. So that is the condition of autosclerosis. So hope you all understand this condition. That's all for today classes. This is Nisha signing off till we meet the next class. Bye bye.